Learn Afrikaans polite requests. Can you?
Kan nie.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, awesome learner. Ready to sound super polite in Afrikaans? Let's dive in. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today your power phrase is, can you? In Afrikaans, that's
Kan nie.
Say it with a smile and a slight nod, the polite key that opens doors. Need a clue? Be polite.
Kan nie.
Will do. Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for help like a pro, clear, polite, and confident. You'll master the sound and rhythm of.
Kan nie.
Know when to use formal
U.
versus informal.
Jy.
And add the magic word.
Asseblief.
For extra courtesy. Forms and politeness. Meet the polite family and their helpful cousins. Formal one person.
Kan nie.
Use with strangers, staff, or formal situations. Informal one person.
Kan jy.
Friends, peers. Plural you.
Kan julle.
Speaking to a group. Extra polite. Add.
Asseblief.
At the end. Past polite or softening.
Kon nie.
Future intention or offer.
Sal jy.
Negative, can't you?
Kan nie nie.
Mini dialogues. Shadow the lines out loud. Yes, you. Keep your tone warm and respectful. At an info desk. A, excuse me.
Kan nie. Wys my die pad.
B.
Ja, seker. Kom saam.
On the phone. A.
Kan nie. Om my terug te bel.
B.
Geen probleem, ek bel gou terug.
In an email. A.
Kan nie. Maak die deur oop, asseblief.
In a store. A.
Kan nie. Wys my dit in 'n kleiner maat.
In a library. A.
Kan nie. Om die geskiedenisafdeling te vind.
If you didn't hear. A.
Kan nie nie. Bietjie harder praat.
Drill time. You hear English, you say the Afrikaans. I'll give the answer after a pause. Can you close the window? Answer.
Kan nie. Maak die venster toe.
Can you call me back? Answer.
Kan nie. Om my terug te bel.
Can you show me the departure times? Answer.
Kan nie. Wys vir my die vertrektye.
Can you help me, please? Answer.
Kan nie. Help my, asseblief.
Can you all wait here? Answer.
Kan julle hier wag?
Culture tip. Sound respectful and friendly, South African style. Use.
U.
With adults you don't know well, staff, or informal settings, switch to.
Jy.
When invited, add.
Asseblief.
To soften requests, and keep a gentle tone with an open hand gesture. Little extra politeness makes.
Kan nie.
Land beautifully. Quick quiz. Fast check, answer out loud, then I'll confirm. Multiple choice. Polite Afrikaans for, can you? A.
Kan nie.
B. Please you. C.
Sal jy?
Answer. A.
Kan nie.
True or false.
Kan nie.
Is suitable for formal situations. Answer. True. Fill it in. Add the magic word for extra courtesy. Answer.
Asseblief.
Your speaking challenge. 3 mini missions. Build your own requests and speak them boldly. Mission 1. Ask a receptionist to show you the meeting room. Sample.
Kan nie. Wys vir my die vergaderkamer, asseblief.
Mission 2. Ask a barista to call your name louder. Sample.
Kan nie. My naam harder roep, asseblief.
Mission 3. Ask a shop assistant for a smaller size. Sample.
Kan nie, wys my dit in 'n kleiner maat, asseblief.
Thank you and next steps. You nailed it, short, polite, and powerful. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing.
Kan nie,
In real life moments, and don't forget the friendly.
asseblief.
This podcast was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more tips, transcripts, and practice. Until next time, happy learning.